Hello and welcome to this episode of I'm doing something because I bought it and the only way I can feel good about purchasing it is if I make a video about it. So today we're going to be making one of these little Popin'Cookin things. Actually I have this second angle here so maybe you can see it better down here. This second angle is my phone. So I had two. I bought two of them. I bought these two, I feel like, I don't know what to do. I bought two of these and I decided that we would do this one. I did a little poll over on my Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, then you probably should just go follow me on Instagram, at ananda.sage. That's me on Instagram. Anyway, I did that and I asked some other people in my house, welcome to our living room. This is our living room. Beautiful, I know. And they said I should do this one. So this is the one that we're doing. It's been a while since I did a video. I say that in every video, but that's just the truth, I guess. Felt cute today. I've been feeling kind of sad. I have like an hour, probably less, before I have to go to work, and I thought this is a great time to make a video. So let's get started. They always come in these cute little bags with like this little plate where you can like put it on, but it's like plastic. It's very cute. Here's all of our materials that we need, and of course our directions. So first it says, add water to the cup until it is half full, and then add powder from the orange packet mix, and it will become firm in 10 minutes, and that is the mango pudding. So we will start with that. Mango pudding packet is this one. I can read. So this is the one that we want. That's too big. This is not what we want. Okay, so I have this very large pink cup. I should have probably found something smaller, but I didn't, so here we go. That's like half full, I think. Yeah, okay, so little packet. It smells sort of mango-y. Yeah, it smells kind of like a mango. I'm trying to be really careful. Gentle as possible. All right, and then I need to stir it. Then I assume I can stir it with this little fork. Stirring ASMR. Whoa, that is very orange. All right, I guess we'll just set that aside then. I wish I had, I should really get a paper towel. Okay. We're back with a paper towel. Just gonna clean off our little fork. Just gonna keep mixing. Okay, all right, what's next? Next, we have the ramen topping. So we have to make a boiled egg and a Naruto. So we have to pour water to the line in the star tray, which is this tray right here. Add powder from the blue packet, mix until thick. Tear off 2 pieces of the dough and fill the Naruto egg molds, which are these ones right here, with the dough. Okay. Okay. Boop. All right, and then the blue packet, the dough powder. Oh, that's a lot of powder. I feel like there's probably some strategy to doing these better, but I haven't figured it out yet. All right, and then mix until thick. We're mixing. Okay, it's kind of sticky. I guess that would make sense. It smells, what does it smell like? It smells like, like those, what are they called? Not Fruit Roll-Ups. They're like sour strippy things. Do you know what I'm talking about? Like sour strips, sour straw type things. Those. Well, if you know what I'm talking about, those. Maybe if I remember, I'll put it like here. But it smells like that. Kind of like sour fruit smell. I feel like there's not enough water in this. It's still kind of like, I don't really want to, well, we'll just add like literally smallest couple drops. That was probably too much. We're supposed to tear off 2 pieces of this little dough ball and put them in the little mold. So we're just gonna press that little dude into that mold, I guess. Oh no, that didn't go. That didn't go according to plan, folks. Did not go according to plan. Oh no, okay, all right, maybe I shouldn't have added the extra water. Now it's too sticky. Oh no, I've made a fool of myself. Okay, it says divide remaining dough into quarters and... Okay. So they're like this big. So I have to do this. Okay. Put the dough in quarters. 1 quarter, 2-ish quarters. That's like sort of roughly-ish, sort of 4 quarters. Yeah. Okay. So now I am supposed to do something. That's not really working. I'm confused. I feel like this isn't enough dough to do this. I feel like I'm already failing and I haven't really even begun. Okay, squish. Sorry, I feel like you can't see it. Squish, 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 squish. All right, now it says filled space with powder from the red packet. We don't want to use too much. Oh, it's cute. Okay. Gentle. Gentle. Close the mold. Pinch them. Close the mold. Was I supposed to? I was supposed to I think I was supposed to cut, wait, what? Cut the tray apart as shown in the picture. All right, hang on. I cannot follow directions. I am clearly a failure, so hang on. We have to cut it apart. What we do is we close it like this and then we shamoosh it together. Shamoosh, like this. Make a round thingy, place the powder in it, and then roll it up like a spring roll. So that's what we're gonna do. Squish, 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 squish. I can't tell if I fucked up here or if this is just not easy. And now we just fill them with the green and red stuff. Oh, that was a lot. Oh, that was also a lot. See, I'm tempted to taste it ahead of time, but then I won't. Well, I suppose it can't hurt. Have extra. Sour. Okay, we'll put that over there. Now we're gonna try to roll this up. I don't think it's gonna work, but we're gonna try. I think I put too much filling. And they're just really, really small. Uh-oh. This doesn't look too good, folks. This is requiring all of my concentration. Oh no. Oh no. Yay, I did it. Okay. So now it says, pour water up to the line in the music note tray. And then add the powder from the yellow packet. Interesting, okay. Okay. Oh, I was supposed to cut the bowl out. Sorry, really, oh, that was so dumb. Why am I so dumb? I'm just so stupid. Why am I like this? Hang on. Just pour that back really, really quickly. You didn't see that, that didn't happen. All right, noodle powder. Wait, this is the wrong packet. I'm supposed to add the soup powder to this one. That was a close call. Yeah, soup powder, that smells kind of like Coca-Cola, but Never had Coca-Cola, so oh boy, I just inhaled that. Okay, so I guess we'll just mix that, I guess. We're gonna take this thing, I think. Where did I had a toothpick somewhere, didn't I? I definitely had, oh there it is, it's under the box. Okay, so now we take this toothpick and we pierce the corner of the bag from the inside to the outside and put the mixture in the bag. Oh, I was supposed to mix it in the star tray first. This is just really not my day, apparently. Oh, and there's so much goop in here from the other stuff. Okay. Now we pour this in here. And it's gonna be noodles, eventually. Come on. Ah, shoot. Got it on the table. Friends, we got it on the table. Not as thick as I thought it would be. Maybe it will thicken. I'm not sure. It smells like orange soda. Can I like, okay. Not really scooping, but that's okay. No, gosh, I'm a disaster. Into the, what? A hollow egg? What? Oh, is that this? Was I supposed to take this out? I think I was supposed to take this out. Oh, it's supposed to, oh, I see. Okay, well, this is not beautiful. Maybe, what if I just, this is art. I am a artist, a food artist. I'm going to fill up the egg middle. That's pretty cute, have to say. Okay, so now we're making noodles apparently, and if I just squeeze, then supposedly, whoa, I'm making noodles. Hopefully you can see that. That's very fun. Okay. Like, look at this. Squeeze it and it becomes noodles. Wow. This is like my favorite part. Like, I did one the other day of these that was sushi, and you got to like drop the little like dropper and it made like fish eggs for the sushi, and it was so cool. All right, now we have all of our little bits and pieces, and what we were supposed to do was put it on this. So that's, I kind of ripped it, but we can pretend that this is not ripped. We'll just put it right here. We'll, let's see. Things go like this. And then, I don't have the picture. This should be here. This, oh, should be here. But what if it doesn't come out? What if it doesn't come out? Wait, maybe I need to use the little tiny fork. Just kind of persuade it. Oh, we might have got it. Oh, there it is, folks. There it is. Oh, the jelly. Oh, it's so jiggly. Okay, so now that we have this, and then we have the udon, I want to make it look like this picture right here with the little bitties. So I think what we're gonna do is put our egg in there. Boop. Oh, that didn't go through. Put that in there. Boop. And then we'll just put our little fork in there. Ta-da! What a beautiful arrangement. It sort of looks like the picture. Kind of. I feel like it's gonna be really gross. So, ta-da! Kind of, sort of looks like that. I'm gonna move my scissors. I have a whole mess here. Okay. Alrighty, so so I guess yeah, okay. That is the worst texture. I mean, like, I knew this was gonna be bad, it's always bad, but the texture is just so bad. The flavor is okay, it's just kind of sour. Ew. Yeah, luckily in the sushi one, the like rice stuff was bubblegum flavored and that was way worse. Okay, so then we have this, which is our noodles. Disgusting. Ew, this is really gross. It's just really like, I don't know, like it looks kind of like what it's supposed to be, but it's really gross. I'm just gonna, wow. This is just so jiggly. The mango, oh, it's so sticky. Ugh, no. No, no, no. Just, no. Oh, I need like some water. They're always so much worse than I think they're gonna be. I don't know what it is. Anyway, this is this. I made it. Here it is. I hope you enjoyed this little experiment here. Yeah, if you would like to see more videos like this, or maybe not like this, even though, I mean, I guess I do have this one. So if you'd like to see me do this again, feel free to subscribe and comment down below. If you'd like to see me do something else that is not this, do those same things, but make your comment a different one. And I will see you guys next time.